Hi, we are in March 2023, and I have the amazing news to tell you that you can now upload videos on Facebook and Instagram to schedule them with the Meta Business Suite better than ever before. So Facebook literally has been sending message daily saying Creator Studio, which was the best way to schedule basic videos on Facebook and Instagram, was slowly phasing out. But Business Suite was really glitchy. You could not add titles. You could not choose a thumbnail. So as of today, ta-da, it is actually working almost pretty good. I've had some couple glitches, but we're almost there. So that you're ahead of the game, you go to business.facebook.com. So you access the Meta Business Suite and you go to Planner. And it's important you link your Facebook business page with your Facebook business account. Then you go to your Planner here. And what you want to click is Create. And so once I create the button, you choose where you want to post a video to. So you can choose both here. And then I'm gonna add my text. So that's gonna be my title. It's not my text. I'm gonna actually add my video here. So I'm gonna upload my video here. And then make sure you have a good short video. So at this point, it doesn't seem to matter if you do vertical for Instagram or whatever. It just takes it, which is really great. I'm gonna put my text, which I have ready to go here. So I'm gonna put my text. Here's my text. And then, okay, this is interesting, okay? If you want to customize your video for Facebook and Instagram, you can choose here to customize it, but sometimes it seems relatively glitchy. So let's see what happens there. If I customize it, I can put a title. So this great Lisa, so real estate. This here is if you want to do A/B testing of different titles to see which one works best. I swear I saw earlier there was A/B testing on thumbnail, but now I don't see it. So you might want to keep an eye from that. When I saw that A/B testing for thumbnail, maybe it comes in when I do this. No. But if you see it come again, the A/B testing for thumbnail, it's really great. So it told me before you can either A/B test titles, which means they're going to show one title or the other and then pick the one that works the best with thumbnail as well, which is really great. So keep an eye for that because I saw it and then it disappeared. So I have my text here and then I'm on Instagram here. So I'm going to add my text as well. I'm going to put link in bio. It's good if you customize things, you know, better for each platform. Like here, people won't be able to click this link. However, they will be able to click this one on Facebook. So I put the actual real link. And there you go. Okay, so we're going to leave that as that. But the most magical thing is this is not necessarily what you're going to see when on your news feed, when the video is posted. The thumbnail, which is not your thumb and your nail, like someone in a quiz that we asked what it was, 25% of people thought a video thumbnail was something to do with their hands. It is not. It is the static image that you see before your video plays. And by default, the platforms just pick up a random photo and it always ends up being the most awkward one, like the image with your finger in your nose or a toilet. So you want to choose your thumbnail, okay? Control that. So you can choose a frame or upload an image. So I like choosing the frame because then I can go over the video and kind of see which frame would be the best, you know? So something where people are smiling, so really at the end of the video, the conclusion, you want to make, here we go. Okay, so save thumbnail, this is a pretty good one. So now what I want to do is click next. So you go through it. You choose where you want to post it. You put a title. You put customize Facebook and Instagram. Edit your text. Edit title when need be. Oh, here you need to put your location, geolocation to help with search engines. So all this is optimization that you can now do right into your scheduling platform. Okay, then you click next. Now you can save as draft or schedule. We're gonna put schedule, and I'm gonna put this in on April 3rd, and then we're gonna see what happened. So we're gonna see what happened because last time it only scheduled on Facebook. So let's see. Click schedule. And then we have to wait a little bit for it to load. See, earlier I scheduled it and it only showed the Facebook one. I don't know. And now it works. So here we go. Okay, I'm gonna have to delete this one, but this is loading the videos now that we are scheduling. It takes a little bit of time because it's heavy. So one thing that I've noticed is that if you start playing with all these A/B testing feature, Meta Business Suite at this point has a hard time to keep up and posting it on both Facebook and Instagram. So keep it simple. If you want to put it there, and then there you go. So we'll see if it's coming up. See, it's loading my preview. So now this is gonna be on Instagram. This is how it's gonna show. I'm gonna have my little video here that's gonna play. Here we go. And this is my text. I can always go here to edit or reschedule or move to draft or delete this post. So I'm just gonna leave it as that, and that's gonna be my Facebook version of it. And there we go. You can put 3 little dots if you need to do anything here. And also, as always, if you decide that you want to move things around, you can just drag them like this, which makes it super easier. I'm gonna cancel this. And then this one, if you need to delete something, so I had this here before, I would just go here and delete this post and keep this one that I wanted to have. So I hope this helped. If you have any questions, please reach out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because there are updates literally daily in social media. Click the little bell to make sure you're notified when there's an update so you don't have to search for all this info. You'll always be ready to go. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.